Hello students, welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve a few questions on real analysis. The question is, let f be a function from the closed interval a comma b to r be a measurable function. Then option A, if integration fx dx from c to d is equal to 0 for all a less than equal to c less than d less than equal to b, then f is equal to 0 almost everywhere. Option B, if integration fx dx from a to c is equal to 0 for all a less than equal to c less than equal to b, then f is equal to 0 almost everywhere. Option C, if integration fx dx from c to d is equal to 0 for all a less than equal to c less than d less than equal to b, does not imply that f is equal to 0 almost everywhere. And option D, if integration fx dx from a to c is equal to 0 for all a less than equal to c less than equal to b, does not necessarily imply that f is equal to 0 almost everywhere. Now, for option A, let f not equal to 0 almost everywhere, then there exists a subset E of AB where f not equal to 0 and mu e greater than 0. Then we know that integration fx dx from a to b is equal to integration over e fx dx plus integration ab minus e fx dx is equal to 0. And name this equation star. Then, as f is equal to 0 on ab minus e, we have integration ab minus e fx dx is equal to 0. Thus, using star we get integration fx dx on e is equal to 0. Therefore, option A is correct. Now, option B. This holds by option A. Therefore, this is also correct. And for option C and option D, these are incorrect by option A and option B. Thus, the only correct options are A and B. The next question is, consider the function fx is equal to x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Let x is equal to gx so that any fixed point of gx is solution of fx is equal to 0. Then, option A, gx is equal to x minus x squared minus x minus 2 by m, where m belongs to the closed interval minus a comma a is a possible choice, where a is a positive constant. Now, this is not possible as gx is not defined at m is equal to 0. Option B, gx is equal to x square minus 2, gx is equal to 1 plus 2 by x are possible choices. Now for both the gx's, if we put them equal to x, that is gx is equal to x, we get x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, any fixed point solves fx is equal to 0. Thus, option B is true. Now option C, gx is equal to x minus x squared minus x minus 2 by k, where k not equal to 0, k belongs to R as a possible choice. Now again for this, when gx is equal to x, we get x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Thus option C is again correct. And option D, gx is equal to x square minus 3, gx is equal to 1 plus 2 by x are only possible choices. Incorrect, as these are not the only possible choices. There are many more choices, such that gx is equal to x square minus 2. And using this also you can get, so D is incorrect. Therefore, B and C are the only correct options.